I asked ChatGPT to give me a unique strategy idea and not to use the generic indicators like MACD or the RSI. It described me a strategy with the Detrended Price Oscillator, Chande Momentum Oscillator and the Vortex Indicator. After reading the rules, I found this strategy a great concept, so I asked it to code it into a pinescript strategy. That way I can put it on TradingView, backtest and optimize it. As usual, I got a few errors on the first time, but ChatGPT was able to correct them, and after testing the first version, I decided to add a few modifications. I got rid of the Detrended Price Oscillator, added a trailing stop loss, and slightly modified the rules of the strategy. After that, I optimized the parameters for Tesla 15 minute and got solid results. In this video, I will explain the rules of the strategy, show you an optimization I made for the Tesla 15-minute chart, and finally put this strategy up the strategy ranking spreadsheet to see how well it performed compared to our other strategies. As always, you can download the free script, link is down in the description and in the comments. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Without wasting any time, let's get right into it. Okay, for this strategy, first open up TradingView and set up the Tesla 15-minute chart. Once you got that, let's add our indicators. Open up the Indicators tab and first type in SMMA. Add the smoothed moving average to your chart. Then type in NNFX ATR. This will be your stop loss. Add this one. Next type in Chande Mo and add the Chande Momentum Oscillator. And finally add the Vortex Indicator, this one. Okay, we have all of our indicators on the chart, but we need to make some adjustments. So first open up the SMMA, set its length to 120. Then open up the ATR, set its X value, which is its length, to 150 and its SL value to 4. Then switch to the Styles tab, untick the Buy TP, the Sell TP and the main ATR. Finally, change the line styles to step line. Now go to the Chande Mo. In the Inputs tab, set its length to 20. And finally, open up the Vortex Indicator and set its length to 70. Now we have all of our indicators fully set up to this strategy, so let's go over the rules for longs and shorts. Here we have a valid long entry signal. For a valid long entry, first the candle needs to close above the SMMA. The SMMA in this case is this purple line, and the signal candle closed well above it. Next, the Chande Mo needs to be above the 0 level. This one is our Chande Momentum Oscillator. If it's above 0, it signals a bullish trend, and if it's below 0, it signals a bearish trend. As we are opening a long position, we want to see it above the 0, and on this candle it is above. Finally, for the Vortex Indicator, the VI+, which is the blue line, needs to cross above the VI-, which is the red line. The Vortex Indicator will give us our entry signals, and right here at the signal candle, the blue line just crossed above the red line. So, all of the conditions are met for a valid long entry. We can enter at the close of the signal candle or at the open of the next candle. As you can see, our script entered at the open of the next candle. This time we will be using a trailing stop loss, specifically a 4x ATR trailing stop loss. But how does that work? Let's see. First of all, on the signal candle, we will put our stop loss at the lower NNFX ATR line, which is this red one. And each new candle this line moves higher, we will update the stop loss to that level. On this candle, our stop loss got here. Then on this candle, our stop loss will be here. On the next candle, the NNFX ATR moved down, but we won't move our stop loss down, only up because it's a long trailing stop loss. So it moved then here, and so on and so forth. Our final stop loss will be right here. And that's because it got hit on this candle. So altogether, this trade was a 1-to-2.21 risk-to-reward ratio trade, which captured a 2.8% movement. Okay, now I will put here the screenshot of the rules of a valid short entry. Then let me explain how you can add the full strategy script that I created with ChatGPT to the chart. To add the full pinescript strategy to the chart, go down into the description, you will find the Google Drive link there, where you can download the full script. I've put the same link down in the comment section. Once you found it, open it, copy the full script, then go to Pine Editor, click on Open, then New Strategy, highlight everything here, paste our script there, and finally click on Add to Chart. If you've done that correctly, you should see the strategy right here. Here you can see the optimized settings, but you can modify anything you want. And here is the Properties tab. This is important, especially for the backtest I am going to show you. For initial capital, I use a $10,000 account balance. For order size, I used 100% of the equity. For commission, I used 0.1%. And for slippage, I set it to 2 ticks. Okay, and now let's see the optimization. I optimized the strategy for the last 4 years, starting from 2020 and ending with 2024. And here are the results. Throughout this period, the strategy took 231 trades, generated 434% net profit, with a 1.66 profit factor, and a bit high 31% maximum drawdown. Keep in mind you can always decrease or increase the maximum drawdown by changing the position sizing. So if you want to lower max drawdown, just change the order size from 100 to, for example, 70. The equity curve is not the best I've seen, but at the latter period, it started to picking up really rapidly. In the middle, it had a very flat, probably 1.5 year period, which is not ideal. But looking at the buy and hold equity curve, as you can see, it starts to outperform the Tesla buy and hold. What I like about this optimization is that it works on other time frames too. For example, 10 minute, even the 5 minute, and on the 30 minute. And finally, let's see the strategy ranking spreadsheet and take a look on where the strategy is placed among all of our strategies that we tested so far. Here we can see our strategy ranking spreadsheet. This is also linked down in the description, so you can check it out. And today's strategy was the 3 indicator momentum strategy for Tesla 15 minute. With its 435% net profit, it took the 5th place out of 8 strategies that we tested so far. So basically this is a mid-range strategy. Also I have to mention that it is totally possible that this optimization and any of our optimizations are overfitted or over-optimized. That's why I am waiting a few months to see how these strategies perform on live market data before deciding to trade any of them. Well, what do you think of this strategy? Do you have any idea how we could improve it? Let me know in the comments. If you want to support me in making these videos, check out our Patreon where you can get access to our crypto investing portfolio or to our best strategies and optimizations. Link is down in the description. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Also, check out our other channels, TradeSmart and TradeSmart Crypto Journey for more great content. And if you are interested in other ChatGPT generated strategies, check out this video. As always, thank you all for watching, have an amazing day, and until next time, trade smart!